Okay, y'all. Chef M coming at y'all. Let me give y'all the little intro here. Spice it up a little. Okay, today in our cooking video, we're gonna just make a simple grill sandwich. Now let's get into the video. Okay. So first, take our onions. Okay. Hold on. Yep. Let me get my spoon. Hold on. Okay. Okay, I see it. Just gonna take the onion. Just grill it a little. Then we're gonna take our bread. Toss that bread on in there. Okay. Y'all see what's going on. I want it a little brown, okay? Just a little brown. Flip it over. Let that side. Y'all see the onion? Smells so good, y'all. Me, I love onions. Okay. Y'all heard me say I just will always love my food, right? Okay. Y'all, my onions trying to fly away. Right along with my bread. Okay, y'all see it. That's about it. Onions just smell so good, y'all. Give it that little flavor. That's all. Y'all look at that. That's all. Damn, that's it. Okay. Now guess what? We done with it. Gonna take this off. Like this. Y'all see it? The grill. Turn it over a little bit. Just let this go a little more. Not too bad though. Alright, y'all see it. How it look. Okay. Now flip this over one more time. There we go. There we go. Alright. They're good. I'll take them onions. I'll put them onions on there. I'll take out the bread. Let me see. Okay, yep. That's good. That's good. Alright. Y'all don't like really hot ham. Actually, it's not ham, it's turkey. So I'm just going to actually take it like this. Don't really like to touch too much with my hands. I'm just going to take it. Boom. Look at that, y'all. Simple. Very simple. Simple. Look at that. Damn. Look at that. Y'all see it? Okay. I'm just going to take it off. I'm going to throw it right on. I'll flip that side over. Y'all see it. Alright, looking good. I'll take that off. There we go. We're going to cut this off. Unplug that. Okay. It's ready. Y'all see it? Smell good. Got my brown bread. So here, I'm sorry, I didn't tell you everything we use. We're going to use the bread, any kind of wheat bread. Got my seasoning. I got my jalapeno slices. I got my mustard, ketchup, mayo, pickles, lettuce, and my chips. And also have, what is this, deli style oven, roasted turkey. But you can use, I guess, any kind you want. Okay, y'all, let's get into it. Okay, we're going to take a little seasoning. Not a lot, y'all. We ain't going to go big. Just going to dab it with a little seasoning. Y'all see that? Good. Alright. Going to hit a little with that jalapeno slices. Okay. Now, we ain't going to get too many in here. Just a few of that. Y'all see it? Next, come at you with that mayo. Okay? Not the mayo, my bad. The mustard. Okay? Actually gonna do it like this, y'all. I'll take that bread, y'all. Okay? This is how we're gonna do it. Flip it over. We're gonna add some mustard on it. Simple. Next, we're gonna take that ketchup. Okay? I'll squeeze a little bit on that on. Y'all see it? Okay. Then next, we're coming with the mayo. Okay. Y'all use any kind y'all want. It's just the kinds that I'm using for what I like. Okay. Then next, y'all, we're gonna take some of this lettuce. That's some shredded lettuce here. Gonna put some lettuce on there. Look at that. Y'all see it. It don't have to be a lot, but just a little bit. Okay. Alright. Y'all see what time it is. Okay. Then next, we're going to just take this burger here, the bread. Y'all see it? We're going to flip it over. Did y'all see it? I just flipped it over. That's all. Okay. Y'all see it? Look good, right? Boom. Watch this. We ain't doing but just cut it in half. If you want. I'm going to try and cut mine in half. Actually, love mine's cut in half here. Alright, boom. There you go. Cut it in half. Next, it's going to come with a pickle. I got some kosher dill spears. Okay, y'all. I actually just grab a pickle here. On the side. Look. Simple. Y'all see that? That's it. Ain't into it. Yeah, look. This is the chips I got, y'all. Doritos Spicy Sweet. Alright, y'all. Y'all see what time it is. I don't want to put that inside my sandwich. But that's my dinner. That's it. Something quick, easy. Alright. Y'all like, comment, subscribe. God bless y'all. I hope y'all have a fantastic day. Kiss the chef. Next time. Bye, my loves. Bye.